Hello students, today we are here to learn the last chapter from our textbook, that is 17th chapter, Helen Keller. Okay, as you know, Helen Keller was a famous writer, lecturer and very special person, isn't it? You know that what's special about her? What's special about her? She was blind as well as dumb and deaf. You know that. Okay. Then also she achieved success in her life. This is a chapter in which we can see the determination and hard work. The result of determination and hard work. Okay. It always helps in achieving success. Okay, so from this chapter, that means from Helen Keller's life, we'll get a beautiful message. Okay, it's a message that we have to keep determination, strong determination in our mind, and hard work also. Means do hard work always. Okay, then you will get your success. Definitely, you will get your success. Okay, so we'll study about Helen Keller now. The lesson introduction is like this. प्रस्तुत पाठ प्रसिद्ध लेखिका, लेक्चरर तथा वक्ता हेलन केलर की अपनी शारीरिक अक्षमता पर विजय प्राप्त करने की कहानी है। विश्वास, प्यार और दृढ़ संकल्प से मनुष्य बड़ी से बड़ी कठिनाई को दूर कर सकता है। From this chapter we will get such a lesson that we should not bother about our disability. Okay, so here the same thing happened with Helen Keller also. You know that disability does not have to become a barrier in progress. Okay, disability does not have to become a barrier in our progress, in our life. Okay, so let me read the chapter for you, all of you listen. हेलन केलर विश्व प्रसिद्ध महिला है, that means world famous. विश्व प्रसिद्ध यानी world famous lady. Who was world famous lady? Helen Keller. Okay, उनका जन्म कितना देखो 27 को क्या कहते हैं 27 जून 1880 को अमेरिका के अल्बामा प्रदेश में हुआ. She was born in America, Alabama place in America. On which date, you know? 27th June in 1880, in the year of 1880. कैप्टन केलर की यह बेटी बड़ी ही स्वस्थ एवं सुंदर थी. Earlier, after when she born, she was a beautiful child. Okay, very healthy also. स्वस्थ यानी healthy. And उनके फादर का नाम कैप्टन केलर था. Okay, she was the daughter of Captain Keller and she was very beautiful and healthy also. जब वो 19 महीने की थी तब उसको तेज बुखार आया. When she was having 19 months. Okay, 19 महीना. 19 कितना है 19 months, isn't it? So तब क्या हुआ, उसे तेज बुखार आया. She had a fever, very much fever. That means तेज यानी क्या है, बहुत ही, है ना, बहुत बड़ा फीवर आया था. दैट मीन्स बुखार आया था उसे. बुखार तो 2-4 दिन में ठीक हो गया. बुखार आफ्टर 2 or 4 days she cured from this bukhar, this fever, high fever. But what happened, you know, she lost the power of seeing, hearing and speaking. Okay, परंतु उसके देखने, सुनने व बोलने की शक्ति चली गई. This happened to Helen Keller. Okay, thus she lost her speaking, hearing and listening. That means hearing and all the what you call things happened with her. She lost everything, all the power of seeing, hearing and speaking power. She lost. Okay. This is happened to her at the age of, that means only when she had 19 months age. Okay. हेलन जब बड़ी हुई तो उसे अपनी लाचारी के कारण गुस्सा आने लगा. When she grown up, what happened, you know? She became very irritated and angry because of her helplessness. गुस्सा हुआ उसे. लाचारी, helplessness. She was so helpless. She can't hear anything. She can't speak even. She cannot hear, see also, blind also, no? So just imagine, such a girl or such a child, how she feels when she grows up, how she feels. When she was a child, it's okay, maybe parents will help, no? But what will happen after many years? The same thing happened to her. She got irritated and she was so angry, what do you call, sad in this situation. उसे कई डॉक्टरों को दिखाया गया परंतु कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. She had her parents showed to many doctors. She got so many treatments, but what happened? No फायदा, कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ. There was no result at all. Okay, no, not any result she got. एनी सुलेवन उसकी अध्यापिका बनकर आई. नाउ इट्स अबाउट हर टीचर. ओके, उसके घर में एक टीचर को रख दिया गया, उसका नाम था एनी सुलेवन. ओके, अध्यापिका, उसकी अध्यापिका. वो हेलन को माता पिता से दूर ले जाकर इलाज करना चाहती थी. एंड शी वांटेड टू टेक हेलन अवे फ्रॉम हर पेरेंट्स एंड डू हर ट्रीटमेंट. ओके, माता पिता की स्वीकृति से वो हेलन को दूर एक बगीचे में बने घर पर ले गई. And with the permission of her parents, she took Helen to a house which is far away from their own house, which is in a garden. Okay, the house is built in a garden. एक बगीचे में बने एक घर में लेके गई. उन्होंने जल्द ही हेलन का प्यार और विश्वास जीत लिया. When they moved to that house, Helen Keller started to believe, that means trust her teacher very much, isn't it? Fully she was depending on her, and she started to believe in her words, and she started to love her also. उन्होंने हेलन को मेहनत कर लक्ष्य की प्राप्ति का मार्ग दिखाया. टीचर एनी सुलिवन ने क्या किया, उसे क्या सिखाया? She taught her how to do hard work, and through hard work you can gain lakshya, gain what? Aim also, isn't it? So she taught her how to gain the aim or the achievement through hard work. Okay, कुछ ही दिनों में जिद्दी, क्रोधी एवं चिड़चिड़ी हेलन नम्र, हंसमुख एवं सहज बन गई. Within few days she totally changed. Okay, change came in her character. Earlier she was very very angry, irritated girl, isn't it? Then now she became very polite, smiling. That means always pleasant face she has. Sahaj, a very simple character. That means very soft character she became. Okay, it is the change of her character which who brought this change? Her teacher Annie Sullivan. Her love and hard work, effort made her like this. Okay, एनी सुलिवन की मेहनत से हेलन अच्छी तरह बोलने लगी. फिर उन्होंने कई भाषाएं सीखी. इस उनकी मेहनत से, बिकॉज ऑफ हार्ड वर्क, शी स्टार्टेड टू स्पीक, बोलने लगी. बोलना क्या है? टू टॉक. और फिर उन्होंने कई भाषाएं सीखी. देन शी स्टार्टेड टू लर्न मेनी लैंग्वेजेस. हेलन सन 1904 में हेडक्लिफ महाविद्यालय से स्नातक हुई. स्नातक यानी ग्रेजुएट हुई. एंड इन 1904 में यूनिवर्सिटी रेडक्लिफ यूनिवर्सिटी से, फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी रेडक्लिफ यूनिवर्सिटी, शी हैज डन हर ग्रेजुएट ऑल्सो. शी बिकेम ग्रेजुएट. वे पहली महिला थी जिन्होंने मूक और बधिर होते हुए भी स्नातक की डिग्री प्राप्त की. शी वॉज द फर्स्ट लेडी who was getting graduate, who was becoming graduate even though she was deaf and blind, isn't it? मूक और बधिर होते हुए भी स्नातक की डिग्री उसने प्राप्त की. देन हेलन आगे चलकर विश्व प्रसिद्ध वक्ता तथा लेखिका बनी. आफ्टर मेनी ईयर्स, आगे चलना मीन्स इन फ्यूचर, शी बिकेम फेमस लेक्चरर. देन वक्ता यानी lecturer, one who speaks very well, lecturer. Then world famous, विश्व प्रसिद्ध लेखिका, writer, bani. She became a famous writer and lecturer. Okay, उन्होंने अपंगता, that means disability, अपंगता तथा अन्य शारीरिक विषमताओं से जूझने के लिए अनेक ऐसी संस्थाएं बनाई जहां ऐसे लोगों की सहायता की जाती है. She made actually it's because of her effort the many institution made for the disabilities, the people those who are suffering with disabilities. Okay, for them some institution made by her. ओके उन्होंने मेरा धर्म एवं मेरी जीवन कहानी जैसी प्रसिद्ध पुस्तकें भी लिखी. शी रॉट मेनी बुक्स सच एज मेरा धर्म, मेरी जीवन कहानी. ओके लाइक दैट. देन हेलन का कहना था, इट्स हर वर्ड्स दैट इट्स हर वर्ड्स लाइक दिस, शी इज राइटिंग लाइक दिस. ईश्वर एक दरवाजा बंद कर देता है तो दूसरा खोल देता है. इट्स हर वर्ड्स दैट when God the Almighty when close or shut any door, what will happen? The other door God will open one more door for that person, isn't it? One more chance. God will give one more chance for those person. इस बंद दरवाजे को देखते हम इस बंद दरवाजे को देखते रह जाते हैं, खुले दरवाजे की तरफ देखते ही नहीं. We often look at this closed doors only. We are not able to see the open doors, what God provides us. Okay, so it is the word of Helen. Actually, it's said by her. No, she was also like that earlier, but after that she understood her what you call disabilities and all. Even though she was blind, dumb and deaf, she tried a lot to gain success and she succeeded in her life. हम बंद दरवाजे को देखते रहते हैं, खुले दरवाजे की तरफ देखते नहीं हैं. 1 जून सन 1968 को इस महान साहसी तथा जुझारू महिला का निधन हो गया. इन 1968 1 जून को महान महिला की ग्रेट लेडी डाइड. ओके एंड देखो हेलन की सफलता से ये सिद्ध हो जाता है. इट्स अ सक्सेस दैट शोइंग अस अबाउट शारीरिक अपंगता. डिसेबिलिटी इज नॉट द बैरियर फॉर एनीथिंग, फॉर आवर प्रोग्रेस. ओके, हर लाइफ teaches this fact actually. Okay. So here it's written that Sharirik Apangata, that means physical disability, is not a barrier. It will not become a barrier in our progress if we are doing hard work, if you are determining something. That means if there is determination in our mind, nothing is impossible. That shows, her life shows this fact. Okay. So जीवन के विकास में बाधक नहीं होती. व्यक्ति साहस एवं मेहनत से सफलता प्राप्त कर सकता है. A person can achieve success through determination and hard work. साहस और मेहनत. साहस यानी determination और courage, मेहनत यानी हार्ड वर्क. इससे हम सफलता प्राप्त कर सकता है. दिस इज द चैप्टर ऑफ हेलन केलर. सो रीड इट वेल चिल्ड्रन. सो वी नो दैट हेलन केलर कैसी महिला थी, वर्ल्ड फेमस महिला है. उनका जन्म कब हुआ, कहाँ हुआ, उनका जीवन बचपन के बारे में, उनके टीचर का नाम, then how was she and how did she change her mind. Okay, so about her achievement. Okay, these are the points here. So study well, read the chapter well, study the notes properly and attend the examination properly. Best of luck for you children and thank you.